Go.
Hi Bob, I wanted to talk to you about this project in the North Central area that I'm getting involved with. It's probably one of the most exciting things I've done, and I think this will be one of the greatest things that I will be involved with. And what it is taking the kids, the who are on drugs and alcohol, who've got no homes, who've got nothing to look forward in life, use them and make them into an orchestra, a world-class orchestra. I want to follow the El Sistema, the process that has been used in Venezuela. And I'd like to see this orchestra tour the world. Just imagine that, in 5 years, all these players, the musicians coming out of the North Central, located and housed in the Scott Collegiate. What do you think about that idea? Isn't that something? And that's what I want to do. That's my passion now. Ed Minovich, who is the music, the concert master of the Regina Symphony, he says he will even give up his job and do it full time. How about that? All free, all absolutely for no money. And his wife, Pauline, the same thing. She wants to do the clarinet, and she's at the university and so on. But can you imagine what can happen if we start an orchestra with all these kids who are on drugs and alcohol, who have no hope of doing anything, and we show them this big vision, get them excited, get them inspired, get them moving forward, and get them doing something great for this country, for Canada. Then we want to spread this all around, create many orchestras, and take forward these kids.